Hey everybody, just want to do a quick unboxing and show what's inside on the new iPhone XS Max. Just got it in the mail today. It is the 64 gig model. I don't really need the larger gigage model because my daily use phone is simply an iPhone SE 16 gig, so 64 will be quite enough for me. And let's take a look. And it is the 64 gig model, it tells you there. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see, comes with its literature, some couple Apple stickers you can stick anywhere, a manual apparently, as if most people don't know how to use most iPhones. So welcome to iPhone, control center, etc. Also, to take out your SIM, you have the SIM tool that's here. It gives you a little bit of a demo how to take it out. Can zoom in there for you. More literature here, all the legalese stuff, how to use the guide, safety, etc. And a little cool little case it all comes in. And the iPhone itself. Just dump that out. Okay. The phone. I'll set that to the side for now. Comes with the power brick. I was watching and I was wondering if it was going to come with this because I heard some of the folks online saying it doesn't come with this anymore, but it does. So it does come with the little plug-in power brick. Comes with your standard earbuds there, which actually they sound really good, but I choose to have a different type. I have noise canceling headphones. Of course, your cable, which you'll probably go through a dozen of these things. They seem like they die every month, so we keep Amazon going by buying at least 2 or 3 a month. And that's pretty much it, what comes inside. Those things back in. Cool. Buds. Then the phone. So let's see if we can fire it up right now. Take off the back. It is the gold one, which really doesn't show very well here in my lighting. My apologies. But it is the gold one. I thought that was a pretty cool one to get. So we'll peel that off. That's a very nice feeling of newness there. Take a look at what it comes with. Sides. Speakers. Camera that they're talking so much about. Hopefully it'll take some very good pictures. So let's power this puppy up. Takes a while apparently. Meanwhile, while it's firing up, I heard that the stereo effect is supposed to be really, really good. So I'm kind of excited to hear that. There we go. Hello, hola, etc. Bonjour. Quite a few other languages there. So I will get it set up with my current phone, which should be very easy. And again, the components in the box are basically the power brick, headphones, and your lightning cable for charging. So I will put all that stuff away. And it was just a quick video, just wanted to show you what came in it. I picked it up today. Well, it got mailed to me from T-Mobile today, and I look forward to giving it a try. And if I get a chance, I'll do another review and let folks know how it goes. Again, thanks a lot, and I will talk to you guys later. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye.